Bullish die cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $4.50 and $9.80 by 2030. Market examiners accept die could reach $4.50 by 2025. Bearish die market cost expectation for 2022 is 80 cents. Die presentation. Die has entered the crypto market as an interesting and significant token, being one of the first decentralized stablecoins sent off on the producer convention. In the event that you're interested about the cost of die, look no further. In this die cost expectation guide, we've summed up all you want to be familiar with the cost of die, from the ongoing cost to greatest value, die cost today, normal figure cost, least cost, market cap, and then some. We likewise consider whether die is probably going to be a wise venture for what's in store. Continue to peruse to advance more from our refreshed die cost estimate. What is die? Die is a cryptographic money resource sent off as the very first insurance upheld decentralized digital currency. Die is not quite the same as different monetary standards in the crypto market. Dissimilar to resource-upheld monetary standards, which organizations use revenue-driven, die endeavors to keep a one-to-one worth with the US dollar consistently. It is a result of the Creator Convention, an open-source, decentralized application working on the Ethereum blockchain. Die can keep up with its worth by utilizing collateralized obligation designated in ETH, the local money of Ethereum. How does die function? Collateralized credits are a way for a moneylender to utilize resources they own to get an advance. These collateralized credits have a fundamentally lower financing cost than customary unstable credits, as banks can seize and sell resources on the off chance that the borrower can't reimburse their credit. Utilizing shrewd agreements running on the Ethereum blockchain, the producer convention permits borrowers to lock crypto resources like ETH and collateralize them. These resources are, thus, used to produce new DAI tokens as advances. To recuperate the locked resource or ETH, they will be expected to pay a charge and return the DAI to the convention. This model guarantees that DAI's inventory can't be modified by any gatherings. A decent stock is kept up with through a complicated arrangement of savvy contracts, which answer constant market changes in the costs of concerned resources. Who made DAI? DAI was authoritatively sent off in 2017 on the producer convention made by the Creator Establishment. The organizer behind Producer Establishment is Rune Christensen, who fostered the task planning to lay out a credit framework that would empower clients to take out advances. DAI was sent off on the convention as a loaning resource stage for organizations and people. Today, the convention is represented by MakerDAO, which took over from the Creator Establishment. The DAI token. The MakerDAO network has two local tokens, MKR and DAI. DAI's job as a stablecoin on the organization makes it novel from other regular digital forms of money. While conventional crypto costs are profoundly unpredictable, DAI's worth is connected to that of a government-issued money, for this situation, the US dollar. This means the cost of DAI ought to remain nearby or be equivalent to $1 consistently. Notwithstanding, this doesn't necessarily in every case occur, and the coin sees cost increments and drops. Notwithstanding, when contrasted in other digital forms of money, DAI's worth is essentially less unpredictable. This component of DAI's cost is fundamental to consider while making a DAI cost forecast. Concerning whether or not DAI cost will go up from here on out, there is no right response. The coin's cost can and differs, yet its main role is a store of significant worth, and that implies that preferably, DAI's cost shouldn't vacillate a lot. MakerDAO effectively attempts to keep a one-to-one worth of DAI with the US dollar, which makes both decay and development an impractical notion for the coin. Nonetheless, DAI's cost could in any case change, and you ought to painstakingly think about the market feeling and do your own examination prior to settling on a purchasing choice. DAI current cost. DAI is right now worth $1 USD. DAI has moved 0.06% as of now with an exchanging volume of $111,209,477. DAI is at present position 12 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $5,877,900,268 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DAI to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DAI value expectation 2022. DAI, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DAI cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.50. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.40 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. DAI is supposed to have a base worth of $1.20. DAI value expectation 2023. In 2023, DAI cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DAI will before long outperform $2.50. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the DAI's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DAI will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.20. DAI Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.50 and DAI might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. DAI is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.20 and a low of $3 in 2024. DAI Value Expectation 2025. Assuming DAI effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the DAI coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DAI will be green in 2025. The DAI is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $4.50, with a base cost of $4 and a typical cost of $4.20. DAI Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DAI cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.20 by 2026, with a base cost of $5 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DAI has a most extreme value worth of $5.50. DAI Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.20. On the off chance that DAI figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.50. Neglecting to assemble the help DAI needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6. DAI Value Forecast 2028. While DAI is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $7 and a yearly cost close above $7.50 in 2028. DAI Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, DAI will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.50, averaging out at $8.20. DAI Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest DAI cost in 2030 is projected to be $9.80 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $9.40. And, generally speaking, obviously producer convention is supported by a creative group, a remarkable vision, and strong basics. The framework's basic role is to present